Today we're going to show you how to use the car assist handle after total knee replacement surgery. And by the end of this video, you're going to know how to get in and out of your car safely after surgery. So let's jump right into it. We have a special guest today, and she's going to show you how to get in and out of the car after total knee replacement. Let's welcome Dina.
Thanks, Steve.
Dina has been a nurse for 37 years, and she also has her doctorate degree in nurse education. She's the perfect person to show us how to get in and out of the car safely. So Dina, we have a certain kind of car here. This is a Hyundai Sonata. What would you recommend if you have the choice? A lot of families have two cars. What's the best vehicle to use when coming back from the hospital from knee replacement surgery?
That's a great question, Steve. If someone is less than 5'5", I would recommend, if they have an option, to use a smaller vehicle like a sedan, so they're not having to hop up into a taller vehicle. However, if someone is 5'5" or taller, it might be more beneficial to use an SUV or a minivan, because then they'll be at the proper level to slide into the seat.
So the other thing is, it's easy sometimes to just slide into the back seat after surgery, but you need a lot of strength in your arms to do that. So if you didn't do prehab or you don't feel like you have the strength, use the front seat. And we're going to demonstrate today on the front seat.
I'm going to show you how to get in and out of the car following a knee replacement surgery. Hopefully, this will make the experience less painful and more safe for you if you're assisting the patient. The first thing you want to do is ensure the seat is reclined back slightly and the seat is moved all the way back, and this will give the patient more room to move into the vehicle. If you have leather seats, the patient will be able to slide easily back into the seat. But if you have cloth seats, don't worry. You can grab a trash bag and just lay it out on the seat so that the patient will slide easily into position. Next, get the car assist handle, put it into the striker plate, press down, and you might get a little wiggle in it, but that's okay. When the patient's pressing down on the handle, it will be stable and make them feel more safe.
Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review.
Now I'm going to show you how to get into the car following knee replacement surgery. In this case, our patient has had left knee replacement surgery. Go ahead and back up towards the car until you feel the back of your legs against the door jamb. Now extend your left leg forward and place your right hand on the car assist handle. Slowly come back towards the car seat, watching your head, and place your left hand on the car seat. I'm going to move the walker out of the way and assist with your left leg as you use your upper body to get into the seat. This is where prehab is very important for that upper body strength to get into the car. Now, once the patient is in the car, if you need to move or adjust the seat forward for comfort, that is fine. As you can see, the car assist handle comes out very easily and can be stored in the car while driving. Now I'm going to show you how to get out of the car following knee replacement surgery.
Alright, so before we show you how to get out of the car after the surgery, this extra handle came in the box from Amazon. And what this is something you can put into your window to help you get out. Now, a lot of cars up here already have a handle, so you might not need this, but it came with it, so we're going to show you how to use it. So you just put it through the window, like so, click it into place, and you want to try to get it somewhere about halfway up, and then just simply roll your window up, and that's going to actually act as a handle. Even if you do have the handle in the car, you might still want to use this, especially if you've had pain meds. You just want to make sure you have all the safety that you can.
Now it's time to get out of the car following knee replacement surgery. Go ahead and scoot forward in the seat. Turn your hips slightly towards the car door. Move your good leg out towards the car door and make sure your leg is supported. Turn the hips towards the front of the seat. Put the good foot on the ground. Make sure you have a good, strong support there. This is where prehab is so important, to make sure you have that strength in your good leg to maneuver in and out of the car. I'm going to move the walker up. Put your right hand on the car assist handle. Scoot more forward towards the door if you need to. Left hand is on the walker. Using the good leg, move up into an upright position. Once you're stable, Put both hands on the walker. Now you're good to go. I really encourage you to practice this before your knee replacement surgery. It will make that transition in and out of the car so much easier and safer.
That was a great job, Dina, teaching everybody how to get in and out of the car after knee replacement surgery. Now that we know how to do that, go ahead, click on our next video and watch our review about the car assist handle. And as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.